Imagine having the ability to smoothly break the ice in Spanish, to naturally, comfortably, and easily be able to greet people, be it friends or total strangers, fluently in Spanish. Well, congratulations on choosing this video because you are about to have that ability. Well, you will if you at least watch this video. Hola amigos, let's get started with Spanish greeting. In this video, lesson 6, we're jumping into greetings that will launch your ability to communicate in Spanish. Whether you're prepping for a trip to Spain or just want to dazzle your friends at your next fiesta, knowing how to greet people in Spanish is a fantastic way to break the ice and be polite. So let's kick off those conversations with gusto, shall we? Let's begin with the basics. You've already learned this, but to say hello in Spanish, you'd say hola. Nice and easy, right? Hola is friendly and works at any time of the day. This is the simplest, most universal way to say hello in Spanish. It can be used in any context at any time of the day and in any Spanish-speaking region. Now, to get more time-specific with your greetings, here's what you need. Buenos días means good morning. Buenas tardes is good afternoon, and buenas noches is good evening or good night. Context is king here. Buenos días translates to good morning and is typically used from dawn until noon. It's a formal greeting that's appropriate in almost all contexts, from speaking to a shopkeeper to a business meeting. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. In many Spanish-speaking countries, this greeting is used from noon until sunset. Buenos días is appropriate in both formal and informal situations. And buenas noches translates to good night or good evening. It's used after sunset. While it's often used to say goodbye, in many Spanish-speaking cultures, it's also used as a greeting when you meet someone in the evening. One more phrase for greeting someone is ¿qué tal? This is a casual way of saying what's up or how's it going in Spanish. It's very informal and typical. Alright amigos, it's quiz time. I'll put a time of day on the screen and you try to write the Spanish greeting for that time in the comments. Ready? Here we go. Okay, what's the appropriate Spanish greeting for 8 a.m. when you meet someone in the morning? Alright, let's try this one. What about 3 p.m.? What would you say in Spanish? Fantastic, I can't wait to see your answers in the comment section. Now that we've had some fun, it's time to continue practicing on your own. Try using these greetings throughout your day and see how quickly they start to come naturally to you. Let's dive a bit deeper with a few more phrases essential for greeting properly in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? This translates to how are you, and it's generally used in informal settings or among friends and family. This question is a good follow-up after saying hola. ¿Cómo está usted? This is the formal equivalent of ¿Cómo estás? You use this when speaking to someone you should show respect to, like a person who is older, someone you don't know very well, or a person of authority. We will dive into the use of formal and informal language in other videos. Next, we have ¿Cómo te va? This is another informal way to ask how's it going or how are you. It's used among friends, colleagues, and peers. Don't use it with your boss or a stranger. Another form of this is ¿Qué pasa? This is a very informal way of saying what's happening or what's up. It's used mostly among young people, friends, or close acquaintances. Some Spanish-speaking cultures also use ¿Qué dice? Finally on our list, we have Hola, ¿qué tal? This greeting combines obviously hola and ¿qué tal to form a friendly informal greeting equivalent to hello, how's it going? It's commonly used among friends or peers. Well, my awesome and amazing amigos, I'm afraid that's it for today's lesson. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll learn how to say goodbye in Spanish, and trust me, you'll want to make your exits as memorable as your greetings. Make sure to say hello to the like button, high five as you greet the share button, and get ¿Qué pasa? Close with the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So until next time, hasta luego!